A massive hole appeared in Ndandi Falls, Africa. It appeared literally in the middle of a neighborhood, and this thing is massive. It's huge. They have no idea how far down it goes, but judging by its size, it's deep. And I wouldn't be anywhere near this sinkhole. Take a look at this footage and tell me what you think.